Hello friends and welcome to this video guide. I will share with you how to activate ABN AMRO app. So friends, follow me in this video guide. First, log in your account and then access your accounts. Then you will log in your account with your all information. If you don't have any app, this account, you can download your apps on Google Play or App Store. When you download your app, you will see this option, different option here, have your card or something like this. You need to register with your debit card on your devices and then open your app. When you open your app, friends, look for activation option on the app. Just click this icon. After click on activation option, you follow the steps to activate your app and register with your devices. So guys, click activate the app and then follow these simple steps on your app. When you click activate, you will see your dashboard in your accounts. As you can see here on my screen, just follow simple steps. All you have to do, you download this app, and then you need to register on your devices. As I say, register on your devices and then click open the app and select your activation. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this video.